Today we'll discuss about the linear equation of two variables. Suppose the equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x b2y c2 is 0. Two equations. Just imagine like 2x plus 3y equals to 4 or x minus y equals to 3, like this. So there are two variables x and y. We are given two equations. So we may have value of x and y is 1 value, or x and y can have so many values, infinite values, or we can have x and y as no values. So in that case, what you write here is, if it is unique solution, means 1 and 1 value of x and y. How to know? Now then it is a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. If these two ratio is not equal to these two ratio, then you can say this equation has unique solution. This is also called consistent values. Okay. Now, if you find, suppose another one, second a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, then we have infinitely many solutions. Many values of x and many values of y. That is also called dependent solution. Okay. Now look, third one, if a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then we have no solution. No values of x, no values of y. That means this is called inconsistent. Okay, let's verify. Suppose we have a question on this. Verify the nature of solutions of the following pair of equations. Like suppose I got 2x minus 3y equals to 4, x plus y equals to 3. So what you have to do is to find out a1, b1, c1. a1 is 2, b1 is minus 3, c1 is 4. a2 1x, so 1. b2 is also 1, then c2 is 3. Either these two will be in the left side or it will be in the right side. Say both are in the left side, then it will be minus 4 and minus 3. But either C1, C2 should be in the left side or in the right side. Not that one is left side, other is right side. So what do you get from here? Now what is A1 by A2? This is 2 by 1. What is B1 by B2? Minus 3 by 1. So look at here, 2 by 1 is not equal to minus 3 by 1. Means you can write 2 by 1 is not equal to minus 3 by 1, means A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. So what is the nature of solution here? The solution is unique solution. Means you have one value of x and one value of y. This is how you test what type of solution you have. Let's take one more question. Suppose 3x minus 4y plus 2 equals to 0. Then 6x minus 8y equals to minus 4. So look at here. C1 is in the left side, C2 is in the right side. So take it to right side. What will you get? Then you will get implies 3x minus 4y equals to minus 2. 6x minus 8y equals to minus 4. So what is A1? 3. What is B1? Minus 4. What is C1? Minus 2. Okay. Then what is A2? 6. B2 minus 8. C2 minus 4. Okay, let's find what is A1 by A2. 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2. What is B1 by B2? B1 by B2 is this. So B1 by B2 minus 4 by minus 8. Minus cancel, again 4 1, 4 2. This is again 1 upon 2. Okay, what is C1 by C2? If these two are equal, you can find third one. Minus 2 by minus 4. This is cancelled. This is also 1 upon 2. You can check these three are equal. These three are equal means you are finding A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. So if this happens, what you have to write? Now infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay. See another question. Two x plus 6y plus 8 equals to 0. 4x plus 12y plus 5 equals to 0. You can check here, both are in the left side, so you can take a C1 and C2, no problem. So A1 is 2, B1 6, C1 is 8, A2 4, B2 12, C2 8. So we can check here what is A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1, 2, 1 upon 2. B1 by B2. B1 by B2, 6 upon 12. If you cancel here, again 1 into 1 upon 2. What is C1 by, sorry, C2 is 5, not 8. C1 by C2 is 8 upon 5. Look at here, these two are equal, but this is not equal. Means, what are you finding here? Implies A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. That means no solution. So this is how you check the nature of solutions. But how do you get a question on this? Suppose you have a question. How the question goes? Find the value of k so that the following pair of equations infinite solutions. So that the following equations have infinitely many solutions. So what have to do? Infinitely many solutions. So equations given to us, x times 3x plus k plus 2y. K plus 2y equals to 4. Second equation is given to us, 2k minus 1x, 2k minus 1x plus 2y equals to 6k plus 2. Okay, look, A1 is 1, B1 is k plus 2, C1 is 4. A2 is 2k minus 1, B2 is 2, C2 is 6k plus 2. Okay, write down. A1 is 1, B1 is k plus 2, C1 equals to 4. C1 equals to 4. A2 2k minus 1, B2 is 2, C2 6k plus 2. Okay, write down for infinite solution. What is the formula? For infinite solutions, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. So I put A1 by A2 means 1 upon 2k minus 1, B1 by B2 k plus 2 divided by 2 equals to 4 by 6k plus 2. How to solve it? K is here, K is here, K is here. So you make two parts. What are those two parts? First part is 1 by 2k minus 1 equals to k plus 2 by 2. This equals to this. Again you will write this equals to this. K plus 2 by 2, 4 by 6k plus 2. So you have to solve here, find k, you have to solve here, find k, and both the values should be same. Okay, how to solve this? Do a cross multiplication. 1 into 2, k plus 2, 2k minus 1. This will be multiplied here, this will be multiplied here. So implies 2 equals to k into 2k, 2k square. k into -1 minus k, then 2 into 2k 4k minus 2. Okay, let's simplify. This number you take that side, 2k square, 4k minus k is 3k minus 2, this will go that side, minus 2 equals to 0, means 2k square plus 3k minus 4 equals to 0. Let's check the question again. k plus 2, 2k minus 1, 6k plus 2. First one was k plus 2. Okay. 25y it was. Do a correction. 1 by 2k minus 1 is k plus 2 by 25. There is a correction required. Let's check here. This is 25 at home. B1 by B2. Write down B1 k plus 2. B2 was 25. Please do a correction. B2 is 25. So A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Okay, then it will come out. This is 25. So this is 25. So 2 minus 25. So this is minus 27 equals to 0. So product is ours, 2 into minus 27 equals to minus 54. Sum equals to 3. 54 का factor 3, 18, 3, 9, 3, 2. So how to get 3 here? Now 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 equals to 3. So you can get here 2k square plus 9k minus 6k minus 27 equals to 0. Implies 2k square plus 9k minus 6k minus 27 equals to 0. What is common here? Common is k common, 2k plus 9. Here is 3 common, minus 3 common, 2k plus 9 equals to 0. Okay, then solve it again. So 2k plus 9 equals into k minus 3 equals to 0. 2k plus 9 is 0, implies 2k equals to minus 9, k equals to minus 9 by 2. Then k minus 3 equals to 0, k equals to 3. So 2 values you got here. K equals to minus 9 by 2, 3. This is first part. Second part is here. Now k plus 2 by 25, 4 by 6k plus 2. How to simplify? Again cross multiplication. What do you get? k plus 2, 6k plus 2. This will be multiplied here. This will be multiplied here. Equals to 4 into 25. Okay, let's multiply k into 6k square plus 2k plus 12k plus 4 equals to 100. Okay, 6k square plus 14k plus 4 minus 100 equals to 0. Okay, 6k square plus 14k minus 96 equals to 0. Look at these three numbers are divisible by 2, so it will be easy for us if you divide by 2. Divide by 2 means this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. So you are getting 3k square plus 7k minus 2 is 48 equals to 0. Okay, splitting it down. Splitting middle term will be 3k square. What is product? 3 into 48 minus 48. 144. Then sum equals to 7. So how to find? 144 का 144 को factor 272, 236, 218, 2933. How to get 7? This is our 16. This is 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. So you will get 3k square plus 16k minus 7k minus 48, sorry, minus 9k equals to 0. Implies k common, k plus 3k plus 16 minus 3 common, 3k plus 16 equals to 0. Okay, then what will you get? 3k plus 16 k minus 3 equals to 0. 3k plus 16 is 0. 3k equals to minus 16. K equals to minus 16 by 3. K minus 3 equals to 0. K equals to 3. So which one is the common term? For both the answer, k equals to 3 is the solution because common is for both. Therefore, k equals to 3. So I am writing two questions for you. You will solve. How to solve? Write down, find the value of a for which the following equations have infinite solutions. Find the value of a so that the following equations have and the value of a in diagram infinite solutions. So what will you find? A minus 1x minus y equals to 5. A plus 1x A plus 1x plus 1 minus ay equals to 3a plus 1. Okay, next I'll give you how to solve. What is a1? A minus 1. What is b1? Minus 1. What is c1? 5. What is a2? A plus 1. What is b2? 1 minus a. What is c2? 3a plus 1. Solve. Like the previous question, look at this and solve. You'll get your answer. I am giving one more question. This is 2. Okay. So let's take one more. Here this is 3. Third question. Find the value of k. The following equation say infinite number of solutions. 5x plus 2y equals to 2k. 5x plus 2y equals to 2k. A1, B1, C1. Okay. Then 2 into k plus 1. 2 into k plus 1. X plus ky equals to 3k plus 4. Try to solve. Let me find out what is a1. a1 is 5. b1 is 2. c1 is 2k. What is a2? 2 into k plus 1. 2 into k plus 1. You write 2k plus 2. b2 is k. c2 3k plus 1. So look at the previous question. Again try to solve this. So another question I am taking. So more you practice, it is easy for you. Question number 4. Find the value of k. The following equations have infinite solutions. Let's take some other symbols. C suppose. Anything you can take. So you are finding cx plus 3y. Cx plus 3y minus c minus 3 equals to 0. Then you have 12x plus cy. 12x plus cy minus c equals to 0. Look at C1, C2 both are in the left side, so it doesn't matter. So A1 is C. B1 equals to 3. So C1, look at here. C1 will be with minus sign. So minus of C minus 3. A2 12. B2 C. C2 minus C. So same problem. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. So try to complete this. Tomorrow you study a new question.